achieve that? How will I achieve that? If I want to really migrate toward developed countries, again the same thing, we need to be skilled, and accordingly we can apply, and that is the only channel through which we can start our people to migrate into other developed countries. So that's the thing. So that's the ultimate motto of Skill India, as I have described. There are various components into it. One is migration, like people can, so that people can serve the entire world, not the nation. The Indian population very probably can serve the entire world and not only the nation, first. Second is, through skills, you can actually be entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs, provided you have, very specialized skill sets. If you want to run an e-commerce, you must know how a search engine works, how the platform will run, what is the payment gateway, how you can do monetary transactions. So these things you must know, right? And these are all skills. Second, even if you are thinking of retail stores, say suppose for an example, you need to know how to manage inventories. You need to know what are the things are in demand, how to supply, procurement strategies so that your profit can be maximized. So these are all skills. So whatever you do in your life, it requires certain set of skills. So that's the thing. And apart from that, I think I have almost covered my entire discussion topic. But apart from skilling, there is something called upskilling as well. So what is upskilling? Upskilling is something which is applicable for us. Now, as we are delivering, as I'm delivering something on skill development, that means I'm trying to create a fresh skilled workforce. Now, what if I need to be skilled? I myself is working in various industries for last 10 years. I have acquired various skills. But what if I want to grow to my next level? Again, I have to acquire certain more skills. Otherwise, I won't be able to grow. That's the reason why people say that there is no growth in this industry. It's not that. Many of my colleagues say that after 10 years of my service, I am at the same assistant manager level. I am at the same managerial level. I have not grown. Then probably my next question is, what all additional skills you have added so that your company's portfolio can be increased? What is your contribution to that company so that company का ओनर सोचे कि मेरा इस बंदे की वजह से टॉप लाइन ही बढ़ गया है, प्रमोशन का सवाल तभी आएगा. So for an existing employee जो बहुत साल से काम कर रहा है, in order to grow, they also need to develop their skill sets. That is something which we call upskilling. Apart from skilling. So skilling is something which is applicable for freshers, जो नया इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहता है, वर्कफोर्स अटेंड कर रहा है, या फिर एस्पायरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो अपना सब्जेक्ट लेवल पे अपना नया फॉर्म करना चाहते हैं, नया बिजनेस करने चाहते हैं. And upskilling is something which is applicable for the existing workforce of the country. Right? So if you have any questions on the discussion so far, you can definitely ask me. I will be able to answer your questions or attend your questions.